Pila na yung edad nimo? I'm 21 years old. I look matured sa akong naong pero your beauty has captured me and make me want to stay. Oh, that's so sweet. Thank you, Mr. Rabbit. Guys, I'm 21 years old. I just look matured because the way I make up myself. But yeah, I'm still young. I'm 21 years old. I'm turning 22 this year. Oh, 28 na ka. Baby face? Am I baby face, guys? I don't think so. Because mostly people ganit in kwan gapahan nga ko nimo. Wow, salamat kaayo. Hi Slayer. Salamat kaayo. Dili man ko gwapa uy. Dili ko gwapahan sa akong kaugalingon. I don't know. What's a year na nimo? I'm second year college. Uy, sino ni? School secret. Sa syudad Radapon, you're guapa. Thank you so much, Mr. Rabbit. Do you know what is the meaning of guapa? Because I'm not sure if I am guapa. To be honest, guys. Like, when I see myself in the mirror, I don't see a pretty face. I just see yes, you are. Thank you so much. Cute kayo ka. Buyag sa mutag inan. Smile. Many people compliment me, guys, about my smile. I don't think so that my smile is nice. But when I smile, it really connected into my eyes. I-smile ako, bakit mo connect dyan sa akong mata mo, gamay akong mata, bisang sao na. Gamay siya. Dako man akong mata, pero i-smile ako. Gamay akong mata. I don't know. Yes, I know what guapa means. Really? What is it? Because I think I'm not guapa. So like, if you know the meaning of guapa, then you say to me that I'm guapa. Oh yeah, that's right. Guapa is pretty and I don't think I'm pretty. Hi Louise, how are you? And guapo is handsome. Yeah, why does you know lots of Tagalog? Are you, ma'am na ako'y gisulti mo, nagwa ni mo basa? Hello, sorry. Cute kaayo ka. Alam ko, ako man nabasa. About aning cute kaayo ka basta mo smile. Ma'am na ako. Ako lang balikon og type, ha? Okay. Mr. Rabbit, are you sure you're not yet sleepy? I think it's 3 a.m. already in there. Cause here it's 12. Oh, it's already 12, guys. I Google it because I want to learn. Oh, that's so effort. Hi, Itashi. How are you? Hi, Mr. Ki. What's up, Ki Ogsh? Wa gyapon nimo nabasa. About unsa di ay? Kay kung usahay manggod ko na mo i-comment na basing bastos inana. Dili siya ma-comment. Dili siya makita diri. Ma-filter na siya, di siya makita. Dili sa ko inana. Wala ni ingon naman ko. Kay uban mong good basta about sa mga utana kag mga Unsa day mo? Ikuan daw ikuan daw i-Bisaya. Yes, in preparation for my Philippines house. Ah, that's so cute. That's so like sweet. Because I really don't one of my types a girl ka na eye brace. Mo na yung mag-comment ganina. Wala ka tugnaw, guys. It's really cold. Oo, dyan. Ah, ganun dili makita ganina. Hindi siya nagkita ganina. Ay, bati na akong naong. Ah, English na lang nako. Your type didn't pop up ganina. That's why I didn't see it. Hi, Infinity, shall we? Hi, ate. I'm going to go sleep now. Good night, Pearl. Hope I see you again. Good night, Mr. Rabbit. Thank you for your thoughtfulness. Thank you. You take care. Hi, ate. Hi. Unsa ni siya? Snake Eyes. Hi, Snake Eyes. How are you? Murag wala raman nimo ang gisulti nako. Wala man kagikilig ha. Ha? Unsa na sa gisulti? Bye, Mr. Rabbit. Thank you. I hope you're gonna still support me in my next live. Thank you so much. Have a what did Jesse say? 3 stars up, bro. Gamay ra kay mo views ako ang live ron ati. Nya gamay ra kay mga tag gift. Ang ihatag ra gift si Mr. Rabbit ra. Oh, o gani. Dayon. Anong kiligon man ko ana? Wala ko gagets nga nang dapat kiligon ko ana. Sige lang jud laban ya. Patient lang gud. Karon ra masag ko nagbalik og live ati kay giibtan kog ngipon. Tulo ka buok. Okay, Mr. Rabbit. Tomorrow I'm gonna still do live. Thank you so much. Have a nice sleep. Have a nice sleep. Have a sleep well. Dali ko matak sa good night braces. Ngano pod? When? Tomorrow. Still the same time. Sorry kayo ma'am, kulit kayo ko. Wala man. Dili man kulit. Nangutana lang sad ko. Okay, okay. See you, Mr. Rabbit. Um,